How to schedule emails in Outlook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule emails in Outlook so your messages go out at exactly the right time. First, open Outlook and click New Mail to start composing your email. Write your email as you normally would. Add your recipient, subject line, and message. Once your email is ready, don't hit send just yet. Look at the top toolbar and click the drop-down arrow right next to the send button. From the options that appear, select Schedule Send. A small window will pop up with a few suggested times. You can keep the suggested time, or you can choose a custom time to pick your own date and time. To do that, click on Custom Time, choose exactly when you want the email to go out, and click Send. Your email will sit in your Drafts or Outbox folder until the scheduled time. Then it sends automatically with no extra steps from you. And that's it. Scheduling emails in Outlook takes just a few extra clicks, and make sure your messages land at the perfect time, whether that's first thing Monday morning or right after a holiday.